90% of people lose money in the stock market, not because they're unlucky, but because they don't understand this one thing. And the scary part? Most of them don't even realize they're losing until it's too late. Every day, your money is doing one of two things. It's either growing or slowly dying. There is no middle ground. You might feel safe keeping your money in a savings account, watching the numbers stay the same. But here's the truth no one tells you. If your money isn't growing, you are losing it. Inflation eats it. Opportunities pass you by. Time moves forward without you. And the longer you wait, the more expensive that delay becomes. This is the first mistake most people make. They think doing nothing is safe. It's not. It's the most expensive decision you can make. Now let's talk about why people actually lose money. It's not because they're stupid. It's because of two things: fear and greed. Fear tells you, sell now before it gets worse. Greed tells you, buy now before you miss out. And your money? It gets pulled in both directions, up, down, until one day you realize something. You've been busy reacting instead of thinking. Here's the truth. The market doesn't destroy you. Your emotions do. Smart investors don't react. They follow rules. Most people treat investing like a casino. They follow tips. They copy others. They chase trends. This stock is going up. Everyone is buying this. This is the next big thing. And for a moment, it works. Until it doesn't. And when it crashes, they don't know why. Because they never understood what they were doing. Here's the difference. Gambling equals guessing. Investing equals understanding. If you don't know why you're investing, you're not investing. You're just hoping. The intelligent investor has one big advantage. Not money, not luck. Control. Control over decisions. Control over emotions. Control over timing. They don't chase, they wait. They don't panic, they plan. And most importantly, they think long-term. Here's something most people don't understand. Wealth is not built fast. It's built quietly, slowly, over time. Think of investing like planting a tree. The first few years, nothing exciting happens. It's boring. It feels like nothing is working. And this is where most people quit. They dig up the seed and go looking for something faster. But the intelligent investor, they wait because they understand something powerful. Time does the heavy lifting. Fast money is loud. Real wealth is silent. Let's be clear. Risk is not the enemy. Blind risk is. Most people think they're investing, but they're actually gambling. They put money into things they don't understand. They go all in based on hype. They ignore the downside. And when things go wrong, they panic. The intelligent investor does the opposite. They ask, what can I lose? What can I gain? Is this worth it? They don't avoid risk. They manage it. Here's where everything changes. If you want to win in investing, you need a system, not motivation, not luck, a system. Simple rules like invest regularly, don't react emotionally, think long-term, diversify your money. These rules may sound boring, but it's boring work because it's repeatable, and repeatable actions create predictable results. This is where real wealth is created. Compounding. At first, it looks small, almost pointless. $100 grows to $110, then $121, then $133. Not exciting, right? But over time, it explodes, like a snowball rolling downhill, small at the top, unstoppable at the bottom. But here's the catch. Compounding only works if you don't interrupt it. One bad decision can destroy years of progress. Making money is one skill. Keeping it is another. Most people focus only on gains. They ignore protection. They chase returns and forget risk. That's why they lose everything. The intelligent investor protects first. Then it grows. They diversify. They avoid hype. They stay consistent. Because they know you don't need to win big. You just need to not lose big. At the end of the day, investing is not about stocks. It's about behavior, your habits, your discipline, your decisions. Anyone can learn strategies, but very few people can control themselves. And that's the real difference between average investors and intelligent ones. So now the question is, will you keep reacting, following the crowd, and hoping things work out? Or will you slow down, build a system, and let time work for you? Because your future is being decided right now, not tomorrow, not next year, right now. And every decision you make either builds your wealth or slowly destroys it. Choose wisely.